Okay, if anybody is like me, we're always excited to learn about a new non-surgical option that could help combat aging. And this one's called Sofwave. So tell us a little bit about the technology.
First off, I love Sofwave. We're seeing excellent results with it.
Yeah.
The technology is basically ultrasound therapy. It runs parallel to the collagen and elastin fibers. In the past, we've only been able to hit that collagen, but we've never been able to target the elastin, and this does both. It's at the perfect depth to target both collagen and elastin. So it's FDA approved to lift the submental, the jowls, as well as the brows.
What about the neck?
The neck absolutely works great on the neck. You're going to see that tightening around the jawline. You're going to see that lift in the neck. Helps with that tech neck that people have.
Yes.
So it's a great treatment for everything.
So what actually is happening? Is it a laser? Tell us a little bit more about the actual technology.
It is an actual laser, but we're using ultrasound therapy.
Okay.
And it's a 5-second pulse. There's cooling that's involved. So you're pre-cooling the tissue first, then doing the pulse, laying it down for 5 seconds, and then once again moving on to that next area. So it's a relatively comfortable treatment. Takes about a couple of hours to do the treatment.
Oh.
We numb you to make sure that you're completely comfortable, and we start seeing results as soon as 30, 60 days, with results continuing up to 6 months after your last treatment.
Wow. How many treatments do you normally recommend? I know it probably depends on the patient, but on average to see those kind of results?
I think it depends on age. I think with our younger patients who's just looking for that refresh, we're probably looking at one treatment. With those older patients who suffer from more laxity, we're usually looking at 2 treatments.
And then 6 months, you said?
6 months, you'll continue to see results for 6 months after the treatment.
And no downtime after each treatment?
0 downtime.
Fantastic.
You actually look better whenever you leave after the treatment than when you came in, because there's an increase of hyaluronic acid. So you leave with this beautiful glow to your skin.
Perfect. Thanks so much for sharing, Sean.